Iawn, boys?
OK, see you again.
Yeah. Mae yna fwytau, bars a food trucks yn syrfio bwyd o bob cwr o'r byd yma New York. Bars Gwyddelig ar bob cornol, Italian, French, Spanish, Vietnamese, Thai, South American, Mexican, barbecue, bob dim, ond be am bwyd Cymreig. Yma'n Queens, mae Snowdonia NYC. Yr unig bwyty Cymreig yn Efrog Newydd sy'n bodoli erbyn hyn.
Hey! Croeso!
Croeso! Mae Tom y perchennog yn cynnig blas bach o Gymru efo twist bach I hun. So, be sy'n ar y menu?
Menu? Well, I'm going to make you some laverbread sliders.
I've never had laverbread sliders.
No? You're about to.
Yes.
Bam.
Bam. Iawn. Dechreuodd Tom a'i wraig caru y bwyty yma 10 mlynedd yn ôl, a mae'r busnes yn fflio mynd. Yes!
There you go. Now, this is how you trick New Yorkers into eating Welsh food.
Bara lawr, sliders, bara lawr.
Yeah, so the laverbread, instead of just being a big goo slop that you get in the Cardiff market, you mix some oats into it, you create a little bread into it.
Wow.
So you squeeze the lemon on there and enjoy. Yeah?
Wow. You're a wizard.
Thanks,
a Welsh
man.
wizard.
Yeah?
Ti'n cael y instant crunch o'r ceirch a'r bara lawr di ffyr ti allan. Ti'n brathu ti fewn efo, mae'r slider wedyn mwy juicy, ti'n Mae'r umami bo, mae'r laverbread, caws, paint, Snowdonia NYC, be mwy ti isio. Tom, genius.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, I mean, this is, you know, didn't come out of nowhere. We trial by fire, literally. Trial by flame baster. Cheers.
Yeah, iechyd da. So, tell me more, rewind back, life of Tom, I want to know.
Well, I mean, my dad is from Bryn Mawr, which is right above Cardiff, between Brecon Beacons and Cardiff. And, you know, I've always kind of kept my roots there, but my mother's American. I was here when I was 4. I moved to New York. And my wife and I bought this pub, and we initially named it Snowdonia just to set us apart from other Irish pubs and whatever, so we didn't get confused.
Million Irish pubs.
Yeah, there's millions of them, We wanted to be a little different. We didn't expect the whole Welsh thing to catch on here in New York. And next thing we know, everybody's asking us, what's so Welsh about you? I'm like, okay, we'll show you what's Welsh about us. So I dug up all the grandma's recipes and got to work. And my wife does a lot of Tex-Mex stuff. I do a lot of Asian stuff, and we just fused it together. And that's
in the land of the OG melting pot.
Yeah. So we made something special for you guys. It's going to become a staple for us here starting Friday. Yeah. And it's a little thing called bara brith. You ever heard of it?
Yeah, I've heard of bara brith. Yeah.
Well, we turned it into an ice cream, and we had. We have our guy Matthew downstairs, who's an excellent ice cream maker, make you something special.
Matthew!
My man.
You didn't tell me you were an ice cream man too.
I like to keep secrets.
A man of many talents. You know? Diolch fawr iawn. It's very romantic. Cheers.
Lady and the Tramp.
Come here.
My man.
The brawd, isn't it? Brawd bach, fe. We could be brothers.
Yeah, we could, bro.
Yeah.
Maybe we are.
Maybe we are. That was very special. Thank you.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank
I
you.
want to make you a shake with more bourbon in it, but I know you got a lot to do. So next time.
Hey, thank you.
Enjoy it.
Wow.
This is good.
Yn ogystal o bod yn chef, mae Tom wrth I fodd yn tincro fo music electronic. Fo fildiodd y machine module yma o scratch. O'n I gorau cael go bach. Hit it.
Yeah, hit it. All right.
Yes! Just petition old laverbread sliders.
Yeah.
Smashed it. Bring it in, brother.
Hey, brother.
Diolch fawr iawn.
Yeah, anytime.
Diolch.
Anytime.